What is normal contact force? Okay, now we're going to call this force typically we're going to call it F subscript N. Now, this is the force that you get whenever your object is touching another surface. So for example, if you have a book on a table like so, there is a normal contact force acting on the book from the surface of the table. All right, and the word normal over here suggests that this force must always be perpendicular to the surface. And so the normal contact force in this case will act in such a direction. So let's look at another example. Okay, let's say I've got a ball that's leaning against the corner, right? So in this case, it's in contact with two surfaces, the floor and the wall. And so there will be one normal contact force here, 90 degrees to the floor, and another normal contact force here that is 90 degrees to the wall. Right? They may or may not be the same. So what exactly does normal contact force mean? Well, it's actually the strength of contact. And so if I, for example, press down on this book over here with some force, then this normal contact force is going to increase because the contact between this book and the table is going to be stronger. Now, the last question that I will address is where exactly does this normal contact force act? Now, usually you'll notice, like, let's look at the book again. We usually draw the normal contact force here, and that's somewhere in between or right in the middle of the contact surface. Okay, and that's because we assume that the contact between the book and the table is equally as strong throughout the entire area of contact. And so the normal contact force usually is shown to act somewhere from the middle, right, to show that normal is roughly the same everywhere. But it's possible for this normal contact force to shift. So for example, if I placed large weights over here, then you can expect the contact on this side on average to be stronger. And so typically that means that you will have a shift in the normal contact force, something like that.